Good morning, students. Have a beautiful day to all of you. Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, in this video, I will explain literature book first lesson number 1, Regileg's First Adventure. Okay, students, now it's a very interesting story given in your first lesson. Okay, so those who want to listen story, they like this lesson very much. Okay, now see students, look at here. First of all, what is given in your textbook? This is the title, Regileg's First Adventure. Here warm-up activity is given, student. Look at the picture below. Here what is written, see that. Match the names with the animals and birds that live in a swamp. Now here the word swamp is given. So many students didn't know the meaning of the word. But here you can see the picture of the swamp. Swamp means an area, uncultivated ground where water collects. So in that type of water, how many animals lived in that type of water? Here some words given: tadpoles, fish, stork, snake, frog, okay, dragonfly, crocodile, rabbit. So you have to match here the words. Here also the picture is given that which animals are living in this type of swamp. I repeat once again the meaning of the word swamp. Swamp means uncultivated ground. कहीं पे ऐसी जगह हम देखते हैं ना जहाँ पे कोई उस पर कल्टिवेशन नहीं हुआ होता है और वहाँ पे वाटर कलेक्ट हुआ होता है और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऐसे स्मॉल एनिमल्स रहते हैं, right? So you have to find out that which type of animals are living in this type of swamp. Okay, so this is warm up activity given. Students, you have to do your own way for the only just getting the knowledge that how many animals are living in this type of swamp. Okay, so you have to find out. Here the pictures also given, so with the help of the pictures you can find out very easily. Okay students, now as I told that this is a very interesting lesson, but before starting this lesson I want to ask you one question. Okay, I just now through video I can't get your answer, but still I want to ask you one question. My question is that students, that you all are studying in 6th standard now, right? Okay, if your elders, suppose your mother and father, giving you any instruction, are you following that instruction or not? Are you obeying that instruction or not? I hope that many students are telling, yes ma'am, we are obeying our parents, our elders' instruction. Okay. But sometimes many students didn't follow the instruction of their parents, right? So here students, sometimes your parents told you that you have to learn well, you have to do the homework, you have to work this and that concerning to study. Sometimes we are doing, sometimes we are not doing. Okay, so we are thinking that why we have to always follow the rules, and sometimes we are not following, and because of that, if your parents are telling that you have to learn hard for your exam, for your study, you have to do regular homework, but still you are not doing, and as a result what happened, that your marks will come less. Sometimes you didn't got good rank, right? All this happens. Why this happens? Because we are not following our elders instruction, we are not following our parents instruction, right? That's why this happen. So same way student, here like that way, here in this lesson also one small animal, small rabbit, didn't follow the advice of his mother, and as a result he put into trouble. Okay, now what trouble? For that we have to read the whole lesson. Okay, so let us start the lesson. I hope students you all are giving proper concentration whatever I am speaking just now. Okay, now look at here students. See the first line of our lesson. Here what is written? Raggylug or Rag was the name of a young American cottontail rabbit. Now you can see in the picture also two small rabbits are there, right? So one small rabbit story is given in the first lesson, that is Raggylug's first adventure. His name is Raggylug, but in short we can speak the Rag also is the name of one young American cottontail rabbit. He lived with his mother. The small Rag lived with his mother, and the name of his mother is Molly. Molly is the name of his mother. In a swamp. Now this type of swamp, here the picture of swamp is also given students. See the crocodile, fish all were there. So this type of swamp is there. Okay, so this Raggylug and his mother Molly lived in a swamp. Read on to find out what happened one day when his mother was not at home. Now one day Raggylug's mother was not at home. At that time something happened. Now in order to know we have to read the whole story. Look at here. The long swamp grass bent over and covered the cozy nest where Raggylug's mother had hidden him. Now here students, the word I have underlined, cozy. So here the meaning is already given. Cozy means comfortable and warm. There is a one small comfortable and warm nest Mother Molly built for the Raggylug. Okay, and both were living in that nest. Okay, and that cozy nest, that comfortable warm nest covered with a green grass. She covered him partly and warned him, stay at home and keep very quiet till I return. Okay, this sentence is spoken by Mother Molly. What instruction she had given? She covered him partly, that nest covered him partly with the grass and warn him. Warn him, उसको ये मदर मोली ने बोला था, क्या उसको warn किया था, सावचेत किया था, stay at home and keep very quiet till I return. जब तक मैं ना आऊँ तब तक तुम्हें कहाँ पे रहना है, घर में ही रहना है. And keep very quiet, और कोई भी आवाज़ नहीं करना है. Because this Raggylug was a very small rabbit. So that small rabbit didn't protect himself without help of his mother. That type small Raggylug was there. That's why his mother told that you have to remain at home and keep very quiet till I return. Though Raggylug was tucked in a bed, he was wide awake and his bright eyes looked at the little green world. Straight above him, a blue jay and a red squirrel were loudly scolding. Now here blue jay is a small blue North American bird. Here students, picture is also given, where the word meaning is given, that picture is also given. This picture is of a blue jay. Okay. Now Raggylug was sleeping and then the Raggylug awake. His bright eyes looked at the little green world. Now this Raggylug was a very curious rabbit. He wanted to see the surrounding area of his nest. So a blue jay and red squirrel were loudly scolding. Their birds and animals were scolding. Here this blue jay is a specially North American bird it didn't found in India, but specially this blue jay is North American bird. There nearby the nest, blue jay and red squirrel both were scolding each other, and at one time Rag's home bush was the center of their fight. Now you can see here in the picture, on the branch of the tree, the blue jay, yes, here nearby the nest of a rabbit, you can see the blue jay bird is there and red squirrel, both were scolding, both were quarreling, and this blue jay was quarreling with the squirrel, and this reggy leg was, small reggy legs, you can see in the picture, was sitting inside his nest and observing the surrounding area. What happened outside the nest? A yellow warbler caught a blue butterfly only 6 inches from his nose. Now here one yellow warbler is also sitting on one of the branch of the tree. You can see here, this is yellow warbler is a small yellow bird found in North Asia, Australia and European country. So these type of birds are not in Indian birds, but especially Australian and European birds are there. So that bird, yellow warbler, is also sitting on one of the branch of the tree. A red and a black ladybug took a long walk up one grass blade. There one ladybug is also there. You can see on the leaves of that, one of the leaves of that ladybug is also there. Have you seen the picture? Red colors ladybug is there. So a red and black ladybug took a walk up one grass blade, down another, across the nest, over Rag's face, and yet he never moved on, even winked. Here winked means open and closed one eye quickly. Now this Rag was very curious. He was observing with his winking eyes. Sometimes he opened and closed one eye quickly. Like that way, the Rag was observing the surrounding atmosphere nearby his nest. Now look at there, what happened then in the story. After a while, he heard a strange crackling in the bushes. It was an odd, continuous sound, and there was no patter of feet. Here, the word patter is, I have underlined. Patter means, here the meaning is also given in the word meaning. You can see, students, the tapping noise of feet. Okay, the tapping noise of feet. When someone was walking on the dry leaves, the tapping noise of the feet came. That is called patter. So suddenly this reggy leg heard a strange sound. It was a crackling in the bushes, and that is someone walking on the dry leaves of that bushes. And that sound was an odd sound, continuous sound, and no patter of feet. No tapping noise of feet came. And still this is a strange type of sound came. Rag had never heard anything like it before. And this sound Reggy Leg never heard. First time Reggy Leg was listening this type of sound. His mother had warned him to lie low, but he became very curious. His mother strictly told him to lie low. Here the word you can see, highlighted word, to lie low means, here the meaning is also given, hide in order to stay away from danger. His mother told him that you don't come outside from the nest, because outside the nest there is a danger. Why danger? Because the Regulac was a very small rabbit. If he came into any trouble, he didn't save himself without his mother. That's why his mother strictly warned him, don't come outside from the nest. But this Regulac was a very curious. Sometimes it happen, no? Our parents told that you don't go outside, and still we are going. Like that way, this Regulac was also very curious. Could the strange sound without footsteps by anything dangerous? Thought Rag. Now Rag thought in his mind, oh, there is no any sound came of footsteps. And this is a very continuous sound. Is anything dangerous? That type of thought came into the mind of Regulac. The low sound seems to move nearer. Now that continuous odd sounds coming nearer to him. Then it went this way and that, but then it seems to be going away. Now the Regulac was very furious, because that continuous odd sounds coming nearer and nearer to him. But he can't do anything. Reg felt that he had to find out what the sound was. Now the Reg was very curious, so he thought that I want to find out that from where this continuous odd sound coming. He slowly raised his roly-poly body. Now see the underlined word here, roly-poly. Roly-poly means here the meaning is given small and round and soft. Okay, Regulac was a very small rabbit. So his body is a very small, round and soft. So slowly and gradually, what he do? He raised his roly-poly body on his short legs, lifted his little round head above the covering of his nest, and peeped out into the woods. As his mother told that don't come out from the nest, still he came out from the nest in order to find out that from where this continuous odd sound is coming. And that's why he raised his roly-poly. His small, soft, round body came from his short legs. With the help of his legs, he came out from the nest, lifted his little round head above the coverings of his nest, and peeped out into the woods. And he slowly came out from the nest, which is covered with the grass, and he peeped, means he observed into the surrounding of the nest, and he came into the woods, okay, in order to find out. Okay, so this is the part that we have to here discuss. Okay, up to this in this video. Now we will discuss about here the introductions of the author who has written this lesson. Now you can see here Ernest Thompson Seton is a writer who born in 1860 and died in 1946. Was an English author. You can see here the picture of that author also. English author, wildlife artist, and one of the founding pioneers of the Boy Scouts of America. His famous books about scouting include The Birch Bank Role of the Woodcrafts Indians, that he had written in 1906. The Boy Scout Handbook 1910. Seton was also an early pioneer of the modern school of animal fiction writing. Now this writer was very famous writing about the animal fiction, and he had written very well-known animal fiction. Okay, his most popular work being Wild Animals I Have Known, that he had written in 1898, and the part of your first lesson is taken from his book, that is Wild Animals I Have Known. Okay, that book he had written, and this your first lesson is taken from that book. So it's a very interesting. Okay, now we can see up to this lesson we have discussed here. I have discussed first 2 pages of your story, what happened in the beginning of the story. Concerning to that, students, now today we will discuss first 2 questions of this story, right? See the first question. What did Regilag's mother ask him to do? यहाँ पे आपको पूछा गया है कि रेगिलेग की जो मदर है उसने उसको क्या कहा, आस्क हिम टू डू, उसको रेगिलेग की मदर ने रेगिलेग को क्या कहा करने को. So we can see the answer here. Look at here. Regileg's mother asked him to stay at home and keep quiet till she returned. रेगिलेग की मदर ने उसको कहा कि मैं जब तक आऊँ नहीं तब तक तुम्हें कहाँ पे रहना है, घर पे ही रहना है, एंड कीप क्वाइट, कोई आवाज़ नहीं करना है, टिल शी रिटर्न, जब तक वो आ ना जाए तब तक. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन स्टूडेंट्स फॉर यू. आंसर ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रेगिलेग्स मदर आस्क्ड हिम टू स्टे एट होम एंड कीप क्वाइट till she return. Okay, so students read the answer properly 2 times, right? Now look at here student. Question number 2. What did Regileg notice while hiding in his nest? When Regileg was in his nest at that time, what he noticed? उसने क्या देखा while hiding in his nest? Now look at here the answer student. Answer number 2. While hiding in the nest, Regileg noticed a blue jay and a red squirrel fighting with each other, and a yellow warbler catching a blue butterfly and a red and black ladybug. So this is the surrounding atmosphere nearby his nest that Regileg was noticing while hiding in the nest. I repeat once again answer number 2 for you students. While hiding in the nest, Regileg noticed a blue jay, that is bird, and a red squirrel fighting with each other. Both were fighting with each other, and a yellow warbler, that is also a bird sitting on the branch of the tree that we have observed in the picture, catching a blue butterfly, that a yellow warbler catching a blue butterfly, and a red and black ladybug. All these Regileg observed from his nest. Okay students, तो आज का आपका होमवर्क क्या रहेगा? जितना मैंने अभी डिस्कस किया फर्स्ट 2 pages of first chapter, that you have to read it properly, and word meaning that I have just now discussed in these 2 pages, that word meanings you have to learn by heart. Okay, and these 2 question answers 2 times also you have to read it properly. ठीक है, तो स्टूडेंट्स आज के लिए हम इतना रखते हैं. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू.